Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. I have a box for you today. I already opened the outside box because it's just a brown box. But I have the Walking Dead supply drop box. So just real quick, I do have a giveaway going on. That is linked down below, and there is other information down below if you are interested. So this is what the box looks like. And I don't know how much it costs, so you know where that'll be. And we open, ooh, and that's what the inside looks like. Ooh, and stuff is just falling out. So this box does not give prices. Everything in this box is one of a kind for this box, sort of a thing. So you do get a card. It tells you what is in it. And let's start digging. So the first thing I see is look for upcoming exclusive Funko Pop figures in all future shipments. Supplies are extremely limited. That's cool. And I think it's a sticker. I can't tell if it's a sticker or just a little cardboard piece of paper. My eyes aren't that good. But it's Judith. Cool. The next thing I am pulling out is a first edition Judith Grimes, and this is, I guess, this is the number 887. Let's see, what does it say? Early release. Judith Funko Pop. New Funko Pop in every supply drop. You have just received a first edition Judith Funko Pop that was released early just for the Walking Dead supply drop box subscribers. Look for upcoming exclusive Funko Pop figures in all future shipments. Supplies are extremely limited. That's cool. Let's take her out. I actually wasn't going to sit down and record this video for a couple days, and then I thought to myself, my husband is probably going to want to dig into this box. So here I am. Oh, that's cute. Cool. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, what's this? The Walking Dead AMC Rick Grimes badge notebook. Oh, that's cool. That is super sweet. Rick Grimes, King County Sheriff badge replica notebook. Take notes in style with your faux suede King Country Sheriff badge replica notebook honoring Rick Grimes. Has 240 pages. I might have to rip this. I think I'm gonna have to rip this. There we go. That is super sweet. Oh, that is so cool. And it feels really nice too. Love it. The next thing I am pulling out is this. What is this? Fight the Dead, Fear the Living. Ooh, it's a t-shirt. Cool. So it just has a bunch of things on it. I don't know if you can see right there. It says, don't open, dead inside. It says The Walking Dead AMC. Fight the Dead, Fear the Living. Awesome. Totally stealing that shirt. That's my shirt. The next thing I am pulling out is Official Prop Replica, featured in Season 10, Episode 1. Oh, it's the friendship bracelet. Oh, it's the friendship bracelet that Daryl made for Carol. That's cute. That's super cute. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out, ooh. It's a 300-piece puzzle of Michonne. That's cool. We will enjoy putting that together. Nice. And then the last, oh, not the last thing, there are two things. So I'm pulling, it says claim your prize, The Walking Dead slots. And it's a little scratch off ticket. We will scratch that off and see in just a second. And then the other thing I'm pulling out here is the Walking Dead supply drop stickers. So it looks like this, and it says the mobile sticker collection. Personalize your post-apocalyptic mood with the Walking Dead supply drop mobile sticker collection created by comic artist, I cannot pronounce his name or her name, featuring 25 downloadable stickers for your phone, featuring your favorite heroes and villains, including Daryl, Alpha, Eugene, Negan, and more. Instructions for download. Go to the Apple App Store, search The Walking Dead supply drop stickers, download, and start using. Oh, that's cool. And then you actually get these stickers here. And it says, Negan says, sucks, don't it? Eugene, I fully respect the hair game. Right on. Daryl, I ain't nobody's beep. Trust the king. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Kind of sounds like her, doesn't it? I'm doing stuff. That is great. All right, let's do this little scratch off thingamabob and see if we won anything. All right, so it says redeem in-game coins. I have no idea what that means. I'm sure my husband will know what that means. But cool. So let's see. Let's recap real quick. We've got this, whatever that is. I don't know. We got stickers. We got a puzzle. I love this box. I absolutely just love this box. I mean, I'm a Walking Dead freak, but a t-shirt that I will not let anybody else wear but myself. A friendship bracelet. And a little Judith with whatever this is. It's either a sticker or just a card. I don't know. Oh, and this. So that's cool. I think this was a good box. But I just enjoy this box every time I open it. I mean, I don't think I've gotten a box yet that I didn't like of this. So that is all for right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.